You've invested in multi-agent systems expecting operational magic, but instead you're watching costs spiral and results plateau. Why? Because without clear ownership, these systems are just expensive experiments. Ownership, the missing ingredient. Let's cut through the noise. Multi-agent systems promise efficiency and coordination, but they often end up as chaotic as a toddler's playroom. The problem isn't the technology, it's the structure, or lack thereof. The allure of automation is undeniable. Yet, without defined ownership, these systems lack direction, accountability, and ultimately, purpose. Imagine a ship without a captain. No matter how advanced the vessel, without someone steering, it's just drifting. More tools, more chaos. Let's get specific. You've seen the pitch decks. Seamless integration, unprecedented synergy. But the reality? More tools often mean more chaos. Here's the truth. Systems without a clear owner become a breeding ground for inefficiencies. The hidden cost? Mental load, decision fatigue, and a constant cycle of rework. The cost of no ownership. Let's break it down. Without a clear owner, your multi-agent system is a free-for-all. Decisions get delayed, follow-ups are missed, and the system's potential is squandered. It's not the technology failing you. It's the lack of a coherent structure guiding it. Ownership transforms chaos into clarity. It aligns your agents with strategic goals, ensuring they work in harmony rather than at cross purposes. This is where true efficiency lies, not in the tool itself, but in how it's managed. Consider this. What if, instead of adding more tools, you focused on defining roles and responsibilities? Clear ownership turns your multi-agent system from a costly experiment into a powerhouse of productivity. Now, what happens if you ignore this issue for another year? You risk turning your investments into sunk costs, your team into firefighters, and your operations into a series of preventable crises. So here's your decisive action. Revisit your systems, assign clear ownership, transform chaos into clarity. It's not just about leveraging technology, it's about steering it with purpose. Remember, without ownership, your multi-agent systems are just expensive experiments, but with it, they become your competitive edge.